All right, number 11, we want the total revenue for Joey's Realty is given for the function. And so we have a function. X is the number of villas booked. We want to know what number of villas booked produces the maximum revenue. So again, we're just trying to find that maximum or that vertex here. And so the most important part is the equation they give us, which is R as a function of X. So this is revenue. Now I'm going to write this in standard form. So I'm going to put the negative 0.5x squared. I'm going to put that up front. And then plus 200x, plus 200x. Now, x is the number of villas booked, and we want to know the maximum number of villas. So we're looking for the x coordinate of the vertex. And again, this will be a parabola opening downward. So we're looking for that maximum point right there. So just the x value. We're not looking for both this time. So I'm going to do the same thing. The x coordinate is equal to negative b divided by 2a. Okay, and b is 200, so I'm going to plug in a negative 200 divided by 2a, 2 times a negative 0.5. So this simplifies to negative 200 divided by, this will be a negative 1, which just gives us a positive 200. So 200 is going to be the maximum. It's going to provide the maximum revenue if you can book 200 villas. All right, number 12, the total cost of producing a type of boat is given by this. So this is a cost function where X is the number of boats produced. We want to know how many boats should be produced to incur minimum cost. So this parabola, the x squared is positive, so it's going to be opening up, and we're going to get a minimum value this time. So again, we're still looking for that vertex. It could be a maximum or a minimum. We're doing the same thing. X is the number of boats, as they tell us. X is the number of boats. So I'm just looking for the x coordinate again of that vertex. So number 12, I'm going to write down that cost function. C of x is equal to, and I'm going to write it in standard form, so I'm going to write the 0.1 x squared up front, and then minus 40x, and then plus the 21,000. Okay, so I'm going to do the x function, negative b over 2a, and then we're going to plug in a negative 40. I'll make it a positive 40 divided by 2 times 0.1. 2 times 0.1, and then that's going to give us 40 divided by 0.2, and that will give us 200. It's like dividing by half and then times 10. Let's double check and verify that just to be sure. Let's clear this out. So 40 divided by 0.2. There we go, 200. Okay. So we get 200 again.